In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the team board in Mural. Whether you're new to Mural or looking to optimize your workspace for team projects, this guide will help you create a collaborative space tailored to your team's needs. Let's start by setting up a dedicated workspace. If you don't already have one for your team, creating a workspace is your first step. Head over to your Mural dashboard. In the top of your dashboard, you'll find the name of your current workspace. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose View Workspaces from this menu. Here you'll see the option to Create New Workspace. Keep in mind that you might need proper permissions to set this up. If you do, click Away and start creating. When it comes to naming your workspace, think about something that resonates with your team's function or purpose. Good examples could be Team, Product, or Marketing Collaboration. Clear and specific naming helps everyone in your team understand the workspace's purpose at a glance. Once your workspace is live, you can invite your team members to join. They'll need access to fully engage in the projects and discussions that will take place there. Now that the workspace is ready, it's time to create an internal organization within this space by setting up a room. On the left-hand side of Mural, you'll find a panel. Here, click on Rooms and then select Plus New Room. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your room. This name should reflect the project or purpose, like Q4 Planning Board. You also have an option to pick the room type. You can choose between public, which makes the room visible to everyone in the workspace, or private, which restricts access to invited members only. Including a description can be helpful for providing additional context to team members. When you've filled in the necessary details, go ahead and click Create Room. Now that your room exists, it's time to bring in your collaborators. Inside the room, you'll find the option Invite to Room. It's as simple as clicking this option and adding the email addresses of your team members. This invitation provides them with all the access they need to contribute to the room's content actively. At this point, you probably want to add your board into the newly created room. In the room, click on Plus New Mural to start a fresh board. Or alternatively, move an existing mural into the space if it's already created. Give your mural a name that clearly indicates its focus or purpose and start setting up the board for team collaboration. Once your board is ready, sharing is key. You can either share the link directly with the room's members or adjust the permissions so all team members can edit and collaborate freely as needed. With these straightforward steps, your team is set up for seamless collaboration within Mural. Whether you're brainstorming, planning, or tracking, your newly organized workspace will help bring your projects to life. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.